The definition of empower is to give power to someone. For the Empower Prints project, you'll be making a stencil that delivers a message of hope, inspiration, or empowerment, one that speaks to you personally, and one that could speak to someone else. A print is an original work of art that is intended to be reproduced. In one way, you can think of prints as copies because they repeat the same image pieces. However, no two prints ever look the same and are truly unique and original, as you can change the colors that you use, the layers you include, and where the print is printed. There are many ways to make prints. We are going to be making stencils. A stencil is a thin sheet of cardboard, plastic, or metal with a pattern, letters, or an image cut out of it. Ink or paint is applied over top of the stencil, which leaves the image on the surface you decide to print it on beneath. For the Empower Print project, you will make 2 stencils and layer them in a variety of ways to experiment and make them look interesting. These stencils can be 2 of the 3 following. A symbol, such as an icon, portrait, or another meaningful image. Words, but you can only use 3 or fewer. And/or a repeating pattern of some kind. This can be geometric or organic, planned, or something that you make spontaneously. We will use these 2 stencils and different types of paint to create our prints. We will print them on a variety of surfaces such as cardboard, illustration board, subway maps, papers, and fabric. Remember, your message is meant to empower and inspire. After you make your stencils, practice printmaking techniques, and make your final project, you will put your art out into the world. We call this your art action. Some examples of art actions are using your art as a sign in an upcoming rally, protest, or march, making an Instagram campaign with your artwork, creating a t-shirt and wearing it outside in a symbolic place, posting your print outside in open spaces such as East Harlem Art Gallery, or really anything else you can think of. However you choose to put your stencil prints out into the world, you will document your process by taking photos, videos, voice recordings, etc. of what it looks like in that space and how other people responded to it. Let's check out some art examples from students. This student created her unapologetically female line of t-shirts and gave them to important women in her life. Each woman took a photograph of herself in the t-shirt and wrote a short statement about why they are unapologetically female. This student created around 50 enough prints and posted them all over the school. She created a survey that her peers responded to about gun control and gun rights. She then analyzed the results. Many students created artwork and wrote a special letter to someone they didn't know well yet and dedicated the print to that person and told them why. They documented and shared what happened through journaling, pictures, audio, and video. In the next steps, you will brainstorm what you want your empowering artwork to look like and how you will put it out into the world through your own unique art action.